Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be showing you an intermediate card trick. So let's get right into it. Okay, spectator, pick a card, any card. Okay, now we will put your card somewhere in the middle of the deck. Now we will cut the deck a few times and shuffle. Okay, now, spectator, now we're going to get a random card from the middle and show the card and make sure it's just one card. You can put it face up. Okay, so now we're going to take the top card, okay? Going to take the top card. The Queen of Spades. So now, we're going to put the Queen of Spades on top of the Four of Hearts, and then push it in, and pull it out, and it changes into your card. Okay, so now we're going to show you how to do it. So, you tell the spectator to pick a card, any card. Then you put do any control you want that controls their card to the top. In the performance, I just I did the thumb break, so I pushed the card down, and then did a pinky break and cut the deck a few times until their card was on top. And then you tell them to to get another card from the middle. Make sure you say from the middle, and so they don't take the top card. And tell them to inspect it. Make sure it's just one card. And while they're doing that, pull the top two cards, and then just pull them like that and like that. So now you have a break under the top two. And then take the two cards, and make them look like they're one, and then get them in this grip, and then put it like halfway above the other card, and push it in, and then when you pull it out, only take one card, and then so it looks like it changes into your card. If you like push it, if you have your finger right here and then push it like as far as you can, it looks like it's just one card. So that's the trick.